To a Butterfly by William Wordsworth. I have watched you now a half hour, self-poised upon that yellow flower, and little butterfly, indeed, I know not if you sleep or feed. How motionless, not frozen seas, more motionless, and then what joy awaits you when the breeze has found you out among the trees and calls you forth again. This plot of orchard ground is ours, my tree they are, my sister's flowers. Here rest your wing when they are weary, they are lodged as in a sanctuary. Come often to us, fear no wrong, sit near us on the bough. We'll talk of sunshine and of song and summer days when we were young. Sweet childish days that were as long as 20 days are now.